Hello wonderful people, welcome back again in another video. Guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great, wonderful, amazing. Yes guys, beloved, I have come with a very interesting topic. Guys, if you are battling with marriage problem, like you don't have a happy home, like you always have quarrel with your partner, with your spouse, and you don't know how to go about it, you have been performing recipe, you are from one recipe to another, you are from one spiritual work to another, just to restore your marriage, just to make your marriage to be a happy one. Then if that has become your case, or maybe it has become your battle for months, for weeks, and you don't know how you can do this by yourself, now I want to tell you that you can do it by yourself using only natural home remedy ingredients to do that. So if you want to know, if you want to learn, let's get started. So guys, to restore your marriage, to restore your home, to make your home to be that sweet home that you have always dreamt of, to make your husband to love you like no other, to make your wife to love you like no other, then all you have to do is quickly rush to the markets closer to you, get this particular fruits, guys. This particular fruit is what you need to use to restore your marriage. So get this fruit, okay? This is called dates. In English it is called date fruit. Then in Hausa it is called dabino. This looks very simple, but spiritually, when it comes to restoration of marriage, this particular fruit does that. How will you use it? Just go to the market, pick 100 naira on, just like this one. I bought it 100 naira. Just pick 100 naira on, wash it very well, dry it under the sun, and then carefully peel it and then cut it into tiny pieces. And after you have done so, now blend it. Use a very strong blender. If you don't have a blender, you can use mortar. Take your time, pound it, make it into a powdery form, and then add it into your body lotion or body cream or oil and then start rubbing it. If you and your husband are using the same cream, add it into the same cream. If your husband is not using cream, don't worry, just be applying this cream all by yourself, and I'll tell you, you will see how God is going to use this particular neglected fruit to restore your marriage, and you have a happy home. So guys, isn't that beautiful? This fruit has a lot of spiritual benefit, but mostly it is used for sweetness. It is used to restore love and attraction in a relationship. So guys, if you are having trouble in your home, in your marriage, this is a final solution. All you have to do is just take 100 naira, rush down to any market closer to you, get this fruit, follow the procedure, and come back, thank your God and then me later. Okay, so guys, for those who want to join our WhatsApp group, if you haven't joined and you are just procrastinating, hey, today you join, tomorrow you join, today you join, tomorrow you join, a lot of things, a lot of teaching, deep secret that will benefit you is ongoing in that particular group. All you have to do is just send me a message on this number 090-5982-5779. okay, yeah, 090-5982-5779. all right, So if you need any of my products, you guys already know the type of product I'm selling, then just give me a chat up on the number I just called. And then I am on Telegram as well. You can chat me either on WhatsApp or on Telegram. Okay, so I'll be answering. For those who want consultation, yes, we are on promo. You can consult as little as 3,000 naira only. Okay, you can consult with that amount now that we are on promo. So guys, that is just the end of this video. See you guys on my next episode. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, because this channel is all you need to have. This channel is a channel that will be teaching you a lot of spiritual tips on how you can use natural ingredients to make your life very sweet and easygoing. So guys, see you on my next episode. To have a wonderful night's rest. Bye bye for now.